we don't have the grapple hook, but I'm actually clearing the brush out because we've decided to put fencing all along from this 3-corner patch all the way down there, and then again all the way up north to the area. So we've decided to put the fence one line of the lane. We're going to put permanent fencing from this 3-corner patch here all the way down to where we're fencing up there, so it'll come all the way along here. So I've actually pushed the brush back away from there using the loader, and then we're going to continue all the way up to the north field up there. So I got to clean all this brush. So we'll just push it back against the fence line there, because the fence line's actually beyond there. So I'm just going to push it back out of the way. Okay, that's the fence row that we're clearing. I've got it all cut down and I'm pushing it away. And I'm about halfway down, or a little, probably about 2/3 of the way down, and that's what I've cleared up there. So it's working pretty well. I'm just pushing it back into the tree line because the property line's all the way at the top of that hill. So we're going to push this little pile here, and hopefully it works okay, and you can see what we're doing. So here we go. See how that cleared that out. I'm just doing that all the way down. So that's what I've done up here. So it's working pretty well. I'm going to see if I can push that big branch there back out all the way. Got this all pushed back here. And we're down to where it crosses over. And then I got to go out the highway and go down and over on that side. But this looks really good up here, all the way down. Drive up along here and see how it looks.